kade idlala mfethu kodwa nje ngiyazi ukuthi lama team ala eSoweto mfethu combination into eyi1 mfethu uyabona sesingaxabana nje ngoba phela singabantu abamnyama nengqondo zethu mara nje mfethu ibhola mfethu uyabona so into ebalekile ukuthi nje wazi ukuthi mfethu Moses Stadium zobuka ibhola mfethu yabona ngoba nginjena nje mina ngiyelo baba ngikheza Chiefs no like seriously mfethu
because ibhakaniya ngaphakathi no say understand ibhakaniya
iPirates ngiyithanda mfethu iPirates ngiyithanda mara nje ikhosi mfethu
uniform
ezomsitha
no thanks bhakaniya
no
thanks bhakaniya thank you bhakaniya thank you both